Hi, it's State Representative Jim Walsh here to give us another weekly update. The weeks are going by quickly here in Olympia during this year's legislative session. Just today, in the middle of this week, the chair of the House committee that had been holding the police pursuit fix bill announced that the bill will get a committee vote, which makes it almost certain that the bill will be able to advance to the House floor. And since it was a state Senate bill by origin, if it can move through the committee and onto the House floor, it has a good chance of actually getting a debate on the floor and a vote. And this is a hopeful sign. Now, it's not guaranteed that it'll get to the floor and pass the floor, but at least it's clearing the next hurdle. And restoring law enforcement's ability to pursue criminals and criminal suspects in this state, for many people, was the top priority for this legislative session. So even though there's a lot of partisan disagreement over fixing this problem and restoring law enforcement's ability to chase, the fix is moving along. It's not the fix everyone wanted, but it is an improvement, and we'll see how it goes in the next couple of weeks. The other issue, kind of related, is the legislative fix to the state Supreme Court's Blake decision, which effectively decriminalized the possession of hard drugs, fentanyl, heroin, and methamphetamine, drugs like that. That is also moving along. Again, it's not guaranteed that that bill will get all the way through, but it is moving, and that's a hopeful sign as well. So those two issues, restoring police pursuit and recriminalizing, as it were, the knowing possession of hard drugs, are making some headway, and that's the result of some good bipartisan work that's being done kind of behind the scenes to advance those two reforms. Also, just today, we had the committee hearing on Senate Bill 5599. That is the House committee hearing on the Senate bill. 5599 is a very controversial bill. It has to do with separating parents, removing their ability to be involved in healthcare decisions of their minor children. It's a controversial bill. The proponents of it say it gives safety to minors who are in abusive households. The opponents of the bill say that it goes too far and cuts parents, even loving non-abusive parents, out of their kids' life choices. And it received a very active committee hearing. Nearly 5,000 people went on to register their opinion about it, a very high number for a bill in a hearing here in Olympia, and 10-1, those people opposed this Senate Bill 5599 because they feel it is too restrictive in separating minor kids from their parents. We'll continue to look at that bill as well. That bill has not yet gone through a committee vote, so there will still be some debate, some proposed amendments on it, and perhaps other repairs, reforms, updates, changes to that bill that could make it not as problematic for so many parents in the state. So that's it. We are moving along through the session now at about the 2/3 way through the current session schedule, and these bills are becoming kind of the essential bills for public safety, for families, and of course for other issues as well: constitutional rights, rights to privacy, gun rights, and of course taxes. The major budget debates are still a week or two away as we get toward the home stretch in this legislative session. That's it for this week. A lot going on here in Olympia. I look forward to talking with you or seeing you soon. And until next week, be well.